listening to Bullet, as you can tell. That's my foot. That's my white pants, and it's gonna be see-through by the time I get back in this bed. I know.
You know what?
What?
Are you videoing?
When am I not? Ow. I'm just a monster. Good job. That's some skill right there.